In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make your ideas happen. We all have great ideas, but how do we turn them into a reality? Well, that's what we're going to be exploring today. First and foremost, it's important to believe in yourself and your ideas. Too often, we let our own self-doubt hold us back from turning our ideas into reality. So, before anything else, make sure you believe in yourself and your ideas. Next, it's important to get organized. Write down your ideas and make a plan for how you're going to turn them into reality. This could be in the form of a to-do list, a project plan, or even just a few notes jotted down on a piece of paper. Once you have your ideas organized, it's time to start taking action. Break down your plan into smaller, achievable steps and start working on them. Whether it's research, building a prototype, or networking, taking action is the key to making your ideas happen. Another important step is to seek out feedback and advice from others. Whether it's friends, family, or experts in your field, getting outside perspectives can help you refine your ideas and make them even better. Finally, don't be afraid to pivot if your ideas aren't working out. Sometimes, even the best ideas need to be adjusted or rethought. So, if you're not seeing the results you want, don't be afraid to make changes. So, there you have it, folks. These are the steps you need to follow to make your ideas happen. Remember, it takes hard work, persistence, and a bit of patience, but with the right mindset and approach, you can turn your ideas into a reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on making ideas happen.